Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to interface Arduino in Simulink with MATLAB. So let's start today's video. So first you need to go the MATLAB. Okay, right now in MATLAB. So for Arduino you required support package, that is MATLAB Arduino support package. So this is most important. Without MATLAB support package you cannot install, you cannot interface Arduino with MATLAB. So you need first support package. So where you will get this support package, so to this you need to go these add-ons. Okay, just click on these add-ons. Once you click on these add-ons, just click on this get hardware support package. Okay, it will take some time. Once you click on add-ons, then one window will be open in front of you, and in that you can select your required support package. So it is opening. To download this support package you need a MATLAB account. So you can first you need to create one MATLAB account in MATLAB website. Then and then only you can able to install this support package. So you can search here search option is there. You can type here Arduino. Okay, otherwise you can scroll down, then you can get here you can see MATLAB support package for Arduino hardware. So I already installed, that's why it is showing install. In your laptop if it is not installed, then you can install in this way. Once you install, then this support package library will be added in your Simulink library. So in this way you can download support package. So support package is most important to interface Arduino with MATLAB. So now I am going to demonstrate one basic example. I will design one simple model for on and off the LED on Arduino. Just we will make on and off LED on Arduino. To design you required to go Simulink. Just go to this Simulink. Once you click this Simulink, then wait for some time. It will open. Then click on this blank model. Once you open, okay, then go to this library section. So, library browser. Just click. Wait for some time. It will open. See, now it is this library browser is open. Just drag down, just drag and down, and see here where is here Simulink support package for Arduino. If it is not showing in your library, then you have to first download and install that support package, and then only it will show this Simulink support package for Arduino hardware. So I already installed, that's why it is showing here. So how to download I shown you previous. So in this way you can download Arduino support package. So then go to this, then go to common blocks. So to on LED, to on and off LED you required one digital output. So select digital output in this library. This is Arduino digital output. Okay, just drag and just drag here. Once you drag, then it will be come to this Simulink page, and we'll take one pulse generated block. So just write pulse generated Simulink source, and connect these to this. Okay, once you connect this, then make some settings to pulse generated. Put this pulse type as a time based, and time is use sample simulation time, and increase amplitude. I will increase this amplitude as a 5, and it is how many seconds you want on and off. Then I will put this period as a 2 second, and plus with how much time this for on and off time. So put here as a 50%, 50-50 width, and apply. Okay. Okay. Once you've done this, then connect your Arduino with Arduino hardware with your laptop, and before that you have to save this model. Save this, give some name. I'm giving as a name as a Arduino Arduino model. I already have Arduino model 1, and save it. Once you save, then you required some again additional settings. So that settings are, after that go to tools. In that go to this run on target hardware, and select prepare to run. Once you select this, then configuration parameter window will be open. In that configuration parameter window, we have to set this hardware board. Just click on this and select your board. So now my board is Arduino Uno. If you have different board, Arduino Mega, Arduino Mega 80 ADK, like then you have to select as per your now I have this Arduino Uno board, so I'm selecting this as Arduino Uno. So it will take some time. Then uh, one more setting we have to do if required. I think it is not required, but best practice to do. Mm, then this build option, and then this host board connection here is automatically. Instead of automatically, choose as a manually, and give the COM port number. So now your Arduino is connected with the through USB cable with the laptop. Just check port number. Then how to check that port number? Go to computer properties, go to device manager, and check your port number, Arduino port number. So in ports, check this is Arduino Uno COM3. Okay, so it is connected to COM3, and right here 3, apply, and okay. Okay, then come back to this Simulink page, and now uh, select this setting, put this setting as infinite, and now you can go to here and just click and select deploy to hardware. Once you click this deploy to hardware, then your code is simply written on Arduino in backend. The process is going on. See here below, it's compiling, so it will take some time. Now it is flashing the code in a Arduino board. Once it is done, then we will see how it will looks actually practically. It will take some time. See, Now code is generated. Okay, and your this logic is flashed with Arduino board. So let's see how it will look practically.
You can see here this Arduino board is connected with laptop, and here you can see LEDs blinking on and off. So whatever the your design logic as per it is working. So this red pin is connected with this Arduino digital output 9 number pin, and this connected with this anode to LED, and this yellow pin is actually ground pin. Okay, this connected with LED cathode, and this Arduino board is connected with USB cable through laptop. Okay, so you can see this red pin is connected with 9 number pin, and this ground is connected to LED cathode. Then you can see our logic. This is our logic, whatever we flashed to Arduino board, and so once you flash, so in this way it will work actually. So LED is on, off, on, off. So this is the tutorial for how to interface Arduino board with MATLAB. So I hope you understood. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel Embedded Sibling Tutorial. So thanks for watching. Thanks.